Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Update the speaker firmware and the source app because outdated code causes latency. Once done, enable any low-latency codec on both devices. This reduces buffering and is why sound syncs faster. Next, you move the speaker closer, keep it within 3 to 5 meters, and eliminate Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or Bluetooth headsets nearby. Interference increases packet loss and delay. Now you're ready for deeper adjustments. Now you adjust the source. Set audio output to low latency or high performance because the OS can add buffering by default. Then disable software audio processing, enhancements, spatial effects, and heavy equalizers since they introduce processing delay. Once those are off, play short test clips and observe sync. Use a phone camera to record speaker and screen for precise comparison. If delay changes, you'll see the pattern, and you can iterate settings until the shift is minimal. To finish, you apply final fixes. Unpair and repair the speaker to clear handshake issues, and restart both devices to flush caches. This often resolves residual latency. If acceptable, use a wired connection or USB audio to eliminate wireless delay entirely. Make sure to update drivers and try alternate codecs if available, because drivers control timing. If problems persist, test with a different phone or computer to isolate the issue. That single troubleshooting step tells you whether the speaker or source is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.